When you step into your local case dealer this year, you'll find a new hydraulic transmission oil option, Hy-Tran Premium. You may think that all hydraulic oil is created equal, but Hy-Tran Premium provides specific benefits that enhance the performance, productivity, and health of your construction equipment. Hy-Tran Premium is designed to keep transmission, axles, and hydraulic systems free of deposits while inhibiting wear, corrosion, noise, sludge, and foaming. It also features industry-leading heat tolerance and 1% water tolerance with very low additive dropout, as well as superior oxidation stability, shear stability, and wear protection, and improved shipping. It will prevent rust, sticky hydraulic valves, flow restrictions, and gear wear. Maybe most importantly, it's case engineered and specifically tested and built specifically for your case equipment. It's even backwards compatible with the ability to work in all generations of machines, allowing you to standardize one hydraulic oil for your entire case fleet. For more information on the all-new Hy-Tran Premium Hydraulic Transmission Oil, contact your local case dealer and learn more at mycnhistore.com.